Hey guys, Claire here, and welcome to the Kitschy Cabin. So today I'm going to show you all of the common spaces in the cabin. So that's the living room, the mudroom, the game room, and outside. So first up is the living room, and I'm so thrilled with how this space turned out. I've been working with fire clay tile for all the tile in the cabin, and I just had this idea of what if we made something really colorful and fun, like this really big moment. And it all started with the vintage fireplace. So I found this vintage fireplace from this great company called Joybird. It's this awesome olive fireplace, but it's a little short. So it's like, now what does one do when they're short? You put on high heels or wear platform shoes or something. So I figured, oh, let's do a little platform for the fireplace, and it's exactly the same height as a seat would be, so you can sit on it and make it a big feature for the living room. So once I figured that out, I reached out to Fire Clay Tile and we tiled the entire thing. It's all like avocado, marigold, sorbet colors, really fun, and very much that kind of fondue party, après-ski 1960s kind of vibe that I'm really going for. And then for the furniture, I wanted to keep with that mid-century modern look, so I reached out to Joybird and they did all the furniture for the living room. So I'm obsessed with this couch. It's in Key Largo grass. It's such a pretty linen, and it's funny, I had all the swatches and I just put all the swatches against the fireplace and I'm like, what matches the fireplace perfectly? And the couch did. So then I also had them do these beautiful chairs. This is in their Bentley Daisy. It has this really lovely kind of nubby texture. And then I love this coffee table from them as well. I like that it has weight to it. You know, it's like a really beautiful walnut, but it has glass so it doesn't make it too heavy of a piece. And then I honestly just kind of outfitted everything else out with sort of simple things. So a little West Elm side table, vintage glasses, and then of course, for the drama, because you know I love the drama, I have full-length drapes from Shade Store that just really kind of elevate the entire room. And then underneath the staircase, I wanted to put just some kind of piece, like a sideboard that could hold anything from like car keys to board games to whatever one would need. I love the shape of this table lamp. It's really cool and kind of unique, and I like that it echoes a lot of the circular shapes happening in the tile. So continuing on to the other common spaces, this is the mudroom. I actually ended up reusing a lot of stuff from my old home to sort of make this space feel cozy. I then have a lot of great pieces from West Elm in here, kind of adding a little bit of warmth. There's this console here, and then I love this leather wrapped mirror from West Elm as well. It's so pretty and rustic, but I just wanted to kind of keep the space a little bit minimalistic. Also sort of funny, the baskets underneath here are actually from Pottery Barn Kids. So I used a ton of Pottery Barn Kids in one of the guest bedrooms, but I had these baskets left over and they're so cool. They have great texture. So I thought, why not? We'll put them here. People can throw like mittens and scarves and shoes in there when it's wintertime. So it's perfectly convenient. All right, onto the game room. This is the game room, one of my favorite rooms in the house. So this wallpaper is from Style Library and it's by W. Morris. So it's actually a Victorian wallpaper. It's called The Brook and it's absolutely beautiful. These are the sconce version of the chandelier in the dining room. And then we have the Julian, which is the overhead light. All the furniture here is from Room and Board. So there's also this gorgeous sideboard, which is literally packed to the gills with Ridley's games. They have these really geometric patterns. They're just gorgeous and you don't mind having them out on a table. There's then also this gorgeous oversized mirror. It's an infinity mirror from Room and Board, and I like that because it really echoes back the wallpaper. And then you gotta have a bar cart, right? So the bar cart is from Room and Board. A lot of the little bar items are actually from West Elm. So I have everything from the brass cocktail shaker to the little mixers and all that fun stuff. And then of course I had to add a bunch of my favorite vintage items. All right, well, let's head outside, which has had a very big transformation. So the first thing was we actually dug a pit, and that's where the dining table is now. There are these gorgeous market lights that I got from Box Hill, and then underneath that, this insane table. And it's from Article, along with their beautiful chairs. I just love the idea of being able to host a really grand dinner party outside, and then as the sun's setting, the market lights turn on, and it's just a really beautiful place. And then just a few steps away is the outdoor lounge space. So I found a vintage fireplace on Craigslist. So I have electric candles in there just to create kind of a cozy atmosphere. I did get a hot tub. You kind of have to have a hot tub if you have a cabin. On the lounge area, there's this gorgeous rug. It's the Yosemite rug by Box Hill with 2 Acapulco chairs from Box Hill as well. And then just a little sectional. A little further away in a corner, I did another Acapulco chair with a really cool planter, also from Box Hill, and then this really great bird feeder. It's just such a beautiful atmosphere amongst the trees. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit more about the common spaces in the Kitschy Cabin. If you like the video, please like it, comment below, I love your comments. And for more information, make sure to check out thekitschykitchen.com. I posted all about everything you saw today. And also follow at Kitschy Cabin on Instagram. You can see everything that I'm doing up here in the mountains, everything about the renovation, and I'd love to see you there. All right, cool, thanks guys, I'll see you later, bye.